What are you saying, bro? What do you think about the season, man?
Trust me, bro, I can't wait for the new season. How's that looking?
Looks fresh, bro. Bro, what's it saying?
Yes, my G. That is flames, you know.
Let me tell you something. You ain't born a Londoner. You made one.
Bon appetit, lads.
Lovely.
Big game today, mate.
Of course, mate. Ask for the taking.
Once you're in,
Still in right.
you're in. Yes, right. You're one of us, not your mate.
Alex the Warby, why are you ducking my calls? Hurry up, man. You're taking living.
Hey, listen. Tony's on that, man.
True that, fam.
You know what? I could have played for Arsenal. Yeah, top scorer, under nines, Canning Town.
If you stay real and you come correct, we'll make you invincible. We change the rules.
Change the whole game.
When you put on our shirt, you turn and face. You never hide. That's how we create legends that never die.
We play for the badge. We go all the way. Remember, we run North London.
That makes us Arsenal. That's why we play.
What can I say, man? North London's home.
What are you saying? Go and brush your teeth.